If you are having trouble using your Visa gift card on Shein, there are several steps you can take to resolve the issue. First, ensure that your Visa gift card is activated and has sufficient funds to cover your purchase. You can check the balance of your gift card by visiting the website of the issuing bank or by calling their customer service number. Next, verify that your Visa gift card is eligible for online transactions. Some gift cards may have restrictions on online usage, so it is essential to review the terms and conditions of your card. Additionally, make sure that your gift card has not expired, as expired cards will not be accepted by Shein. Another common issue is the billing address associated with your Visa gift card. Shein requires that the billing address of your gift card matches the shipping address of your order. If the addresses do not match, Shein may decline your payment. To resolve this issue, you can try updating the billing address of your gift card or using a different payment method. It is also possible that Shein's payment system is experiencing technical difficulties, which can prevent your gift card from being accepted. In this case, you can try contacting Shein's customer service team for assistance or attempting to make your purchase at a later time. To avoid any issues with using your Visa gift card on Shein, it is recommended that you register your gift card with the issuing bank. This will allow you to assign a billing address to your card and make it easier to use for online transactions. You should also keep your gift card information up to date and ensure that you have sufficient funds to cover your purchases. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any issues with using your Visa gift card on Shein. If you continue to experience problems, you can contact Shein's customer service team or the issuing bank of your gift card for further assistance. Remember to always review the terms and conditions of your gift card and to keep your card information up to date to ensure a smooth and successful transaction.